Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Himal Ranger. Yes, I am back after a long gap. Yes, and I am really excited for this vlog or video because I am going on a very long vacation. I am going to Manipur. I am sure you know where Manipur is. It is one of the most beautiful northeastern state of our country. Yes, and I am all set, all packed. I am actually waiting for a auto and then we'll go to NJP. Right, so please stick with me till the end and let's enjoy the ride. How can you?
अच्छी दुई पट्टी फ्रेम है
नंबर था मुझे ना मतलब व्हाट्सएप कर दे ना मेरा नंबर था अच्छा हां मेरा व्हाट्सएप मम्मी 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 गोए
यो भैयाको नम्बर हो नि त ए बहुत दिन बाद हो
ल भोलि भेटौँ अब भोलि आउँछु मम्मी हामी त आइने हो भोलि हो र
भोलि नै जाने हजुर बाइ बाइ निखिल
यतिकै कन्टिन्यू गर्ने
ट्रेन हटकेर पार्टी चाहिँ ट्रेनै नसक्ने
ल भाइ अझ त Okay guys, so just now we have reached Dimapur and from Dimapur we'll be taking a bus. So right now we are going to bus stop. We came in this train. We are in Dimapur right now, so we will be going to bus stand from where we'll get the bus for Manipur. So Dimapur is in Nagaland, so we came from West Bengal, Assam, then Nagaland, and now we are going to Manipur. Okay, so right now I am at bus parking. Basically it's a winger. So 8 years back I travel here. I came here to travel to Manipur, but at the time it used to be a bus stop, but right now it's winger. If you can see behind me, there are a car like this that will travel to Imphal from Dimapur, and the bus fare or the winger fare it ranges from 600 to 1100. It depends upon how you negotiate. So I could negotiate till 800. I wanted to go to 600, but I couldn't negotiate. But anyway, so this is a place from where you get all the bus service to Imphal, right? And this is the winger which goes to Imphal, and the fare is around 800 rupees, which I am paying right now. And it will move around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, depending upon the timing. So my one will go around at 10 o'clock. So and I will reach Imphal around. I'm not going to Imphal specifically. I'm going to Kalapa. It's a village that it comes 40 kilometers before Imphal. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. So I reach around at 4 o'clock. So let's see how this journey ends. And so journey at the train was quite hectic, but let's see the winger one. Okay, so this is Mao Gate. So we are right now at Manipur Nagaland border. So to get into Manipur, you need to either have 2 doses of vaccination or RT-PCR test. Then you'll get this kind of seal on the border. And if you are not, they do an instant RT-PCR over here, 250 rupees. And besides that, yes, if you are not from Manipur, born and brought up in Manipur, then it's difficult. You need to get another pass, inner line permit. But if you are born in Manipur, then of course no issue. Well, that's the rule. Okay, now we are waiting for others to get their verification, and then we'll be going through this way. Yes. So since I was double dose already, so I didn't have to worry. This is how the border looks. That's Nagaland and this Manipur, and we are going to Kalapahar, a village in one of the villages in Manipur. Good morning, guys. So I am here now at Kalapahar, Manipur. So I couldn't record yesterday because I reached pretty late yesterday. So I am here. So this is Kalapahar, beautiful village. So I'm gonna show you around. Right now I just woke up, so I will go after having a breakfast. I'll go to the viewpoint from where I will show you the entire the Kalapahar village. Kalapahar village basically is one of the villages which is 40 kilometers away from Imphal, which is the capital of Manipur. But it's very beautiful. I'm not sure right now how is it in this GoPro, but after having a breakfast, we'll go up there and I will show you how beautiful this village is. Okay guys, so we are done with this video. So here I'm closing it, my part 1 of my Manipur vacation. So anyway, see you soon in next video.
Please like, share and subscribe to my
Yes,
channel.
please like, share and subscribe. See you.